Hey guys, my name is Amy and I'm going to be talking about the Muhajirs today and how they came to be such a powerful influence in Pakistan even though they were immigrants. First off, I just want to talk about kind of how they came to be. This is an ethnic group, the Muhajirs, and this formed after the partition between Pakistan and India. Just a quick review. When the partition happened, Pakistan was going to be the Muslim state, and India was going to be the Hindu state. And so millions of people immigrated to be in their respective countries, the ones that represented their religion. It was a very violent and not an easy immigration that happened between these two countries. But the Muhajirs, they originated from India, mostly northern India, and they were Muslims that moved to Pakistan. They were, for the most part, a very well-educated group of people, very middle class, and most of their wealth and their education came because of the British rule. And they moved to Pakistan, and because of their education and their status, they quickly kind of slipped into being the ruling class of Pakistan. They hold many of the policy-making roles and many of the bureaucratic roles. And so these people, this group, and their descendants are known as Muhajirs. And as I was doing research, I noticed that it's more common for it to be spelled a little differently. But it has the same pronunciation. Found this graph from the Encyclopedia Britannica, which just highlights that the Muhajirs are really a small portion of Pakistan's ethnic groups, making up less than 8%. But they hold most of the powerful positions within the Pakistani government and the Pakistani culture. And this is, like I said before, is largely because of the standing that they had before they migrated over to Pakistan. That status that they held kind of continued with them, and since Pakistan was a newly formed country, they were able to, there's lots of opportunity for them to kind of take leadership roles there. I just wanted to take a minute to note that this was a really hard situation for them. Thousands of them left India, left behind all that they had to come to Pakistan, and most of them lost everything that they had and started new lives in Pakistan. I feel like they kind of get a bad rap, but they had a really hard time coming to Pakistan. And the last thing that we're going to talk about is why Urdu is the national language. Each of the provinces in Pakistan has its own language, and Punjabi is spoken by more than 50% of Pakistanis, and it's the most of their native language is Punjabi. But Urdu is what the Muhajirs speak, and they brought it from India. This language wasn't spoken in Pakistan before, but since they are in the government and the ruling class of Pakistan, it became a national language. And so Urdu and English is what is taught in most of the schools and is what is considered their national language. And last, here are my sources. Well, thanks for listening, guys.